I'm going to log in my Grammarly affiliate account. I'm going to show you how much money I make with Grammarly. Okay, okay, guys. As you can see, I make 900, almost $1,000 with Grammarly. I have 813 clicks. As you can see, I'm going to show you the payment. Okay, that's the money I'm going to receive. They're going to pay me this money. You see, guys. Okay, approve balance. Okay, guys, you can earn a lot of money with Grammarly. Very easy. Just go to the affiliate program, sign up to the affiliate program, and just go right here. You know, 20 cents. Okay, that's my money. Okay, account setting, offer.